After December FOMC meeting rate cut this year, when people will see history, then they all will be saying Fed did multiple rate cut in Biden election year, and now range is 25 to 450. December FOMC meeting always meaningless. Everyone know, but hard to explain, especially beginner. Important question is what they will be doing in December 2025. So after multiple rate cut, big size before election, small size after election, CPI rising, that's mean inflation rising once again, clear second inflation wave risk. And latest PPI number, you saw total collapse in gold price, NFP, that number again rising. So you can say economy is growing once again, which they call no lending, and financial market is overheating, verified by 100k Bitcoin price, or you can say SP 500 trading at all-time high. So in those conditions, you cannot cut. And after this FOMC meeting, debate is they will pause rate cut next time, they will cut again, or next year 2025. That's mean entire timing till December FOMC meeting. They will hike again or not. You can see more than 1 month to next FOMC meeting. So enjoy the show and speculate on everything. For few seconds watch this number again, 425, 450. Was this US 10-year bond yield? Same place for last 2 years near 450. This is same thing what Fed said in November FOMC meeting. I have already made a detailed video on their November FOMC meeting. And question is what market makers are thinking? Higher for longer. That narrative is back once again. They will stay in rate pause mode for long time, or if inflation does not stop rising, hot PPI recently, Bitcoin price does not stop flying above 100k, and SP 500 fly above all-time high price, then pause possibility will turn into hike. You can see on 10-year bond yield daily chart, Fed doing rate cut. Bond yield are flying since their first cut, but market is doing hike. And this is the reason beginners are confused. When Fed is doing rate cut, then why gold is collapsing on each last 2 rate cut? Gold collapsed on their November FOMC cut, gold collapsed on their December FOMC cut. Because this is Fed decision, but market is doing total opposite. They are doing hike with bond market. And now once again see that number 425, lower range of Fed interest rate, 450, highest range of Fed interest rate. On the December FOMC meeting, latest cut, and you can see Friday closing. This is above range of Fed interest rate. So you can see this is 10-year bond yield, the interest rate over next 10 year. Market has priced out all rate cut, and it is pricing for rate pause. So higher for longer, same like September FOMC meeting 2023, same sentiment are back again. If Fed does not panic more, does not change its direction in big way, maybe market want more, then you can see it is trading above lower range of Fed interest rate. For more sentiment update, what market is thinking, if you see US 2-year bond yield, then you can see closing about lower range of Fed rate. And not market thinking, but Fed officially said multiple times in FOMC speech, 2-year yield is equal to Fed rate. So based on market pricing, they are pricing for pause. So higher for longer clearly is back, and this is short test 2-year bond yield, and it is trading above lower range of Fed interest rate. And reason are still same, that latest hot PPI number, Bitcoin flying above 100k, SP 500 trading all-time high, and you should not be surprised by gold trading above 2500. So there is clear risk economy re-accelerating, clear risk inflation rising again, clear risk high speculation in stock market, or you can say asset price bubble. When we will reach December 2025 FOMC meeting, they will be cutting aggressively and there will be more cuts. But this is big shift from Fed. They are cutting rate, but before election they were dovish, and after election they are hawkish. As a history book, they are cutting interest rate, but its effect on market is like rate hike. Now if you see first FOMC meeting in 2025, when FOMC blackout period will begin, when you can ask the next step is cut or just pause. Before that, just speculation. January 18, 2025. This is same time when Trump will return into White House, and this is same time when Indian buying season will start once again. Right now they are in pause mode. So number 2, gold consumer market demand right now decreasing, not at full capacity. Before that, Fed is already hawkish. And now if you see US 10-year bond yield once again, and FOMC effect on asset price, this was the bottom 2020, gold top near 2080, and this was the top in 2022, 2 years before election, gold bottom near 1620. So yield were flying all the time, gold was collapsing all the time. But since then, yield were paused, gold was flying, and from 1620, gold went almost 2800. So yield are trading in horizontal line for more than 2 years. I don't expect December 2025 they will be trading at same place. No doubt they will be trading below 360 level and maybe new low of the sideway range. Then rate cut, bullish gold only in books, but in reality opposite happening. So I have given you date near January 20 when Trump will return to White House, when FOMC blackout will begin, when number 2 gold buying season will start again. But till December 2025, do not worry, this thing will be trading near 3.6%.